This bag is not for introverts. Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I'm telling you the owner of this bag is going to be bombarded by people. The minute you take it in public, you're going to be stopped and asked where you got this beautiful bag. This bag is from Kattee. It's comfortable, absolutely gorgeous, and holds everything I need, plus all the little extras that come with having a husband and kids. I personally have more than one bag from Kattee. The company is wonderful to work with. They have so many timeless designs and colors to choose from, and they last for years. These bags are definitely made with care. The zippers are smooth and strong, the stitching is extremely durable, and my bags still look great despite all of the abuse that I've put them through. I was honestly a little skeptical when I first got this one. I wasn't sure that it would be able to fit all the things that I needed to carry, but I was pleasantly surprised by its capability. I could fit everything that I needed, including my iPad. And with all the different compartments and pockets, I was able to keep everything nice and organized. This bag is absolutely phenomenal, and I think you're going to love it also. And that's my point of view.